Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Zeekology, where tech meets Dawa. Today we'll be building a powerful yet compact PC using the AP202 from ASUS. Let's go! So now, let's take a look at the components that we have. B550 Steel Legend from Asrock. We have the RAM, the 2 sticks RAM from XPG. These are 16 gigabyte. I believe it's 3200 megahertz clock speed. And we have Kingston NV2, 1 terabyte from Kingston. Okay. Alrighty, for the processor, this is actually a processor. Well, we still have the thermal paste on top of the processor because I think I'm just going to reuse the thermal paste on the processor, on the CPU here. Should not be an issue, okay? This is actually 5700X Ryzen 7. Yeah, I have the ASUS TUF GPU SAG support bracket. We have our beefy ROG 4060. Okay. All right. And power supply. Our PSU here is Vita 750 watt. Okay, from FSP. So we have our screwdriver. Okay, we have 2 sizes here. This is actually the one that we always use. All of the normal screws for PC build, and this one is actually for the M.2 SSD screw. All right, so I'll just put everything on the side, and I'm gonna be putting the case on top of the case. Oh, it's not that heavy compared with the that guy over there, Lian Li Lancool Mesh. What do we have here? We have tempered glass. Tempered glass, the side kit. It's easy just to pull the side panel without using any tool. It's a toolless. Do we have any screws? Do they give us any screws and stuff? Yep, we have. We do have case screws and also some, what do we call here? The zip ties. I'll start with, so first thing first, we're gonna be putting the CPU inside of the motherboard socket. You want to take a look at the arrow sign. It's actually situated on the corner of the CPU, and just put it on top of the motherboard, just like that. Second thing is we're gonna be putting the RAM or memory, and another one like so. Now, next up, the M.2 SSD. Okay, this is the M.2 SSD here. Put it like so. And then gently, gracefully putting the M.2 armor or shroud back onto the motherboard. Screw them both like so. Let's put the motherboard at the side here. We're gonna take the case top of the desk like so. All right, so first thing is let's put the motherboard inside of the case. Well, we actually have the shroud already, the motherboard for the motherboard. The first screw onto the motherboard. Second. Let's see the last one here. Okay to just leave it without the screw middle of the motherboard, but it's up to you. So next up, so let's just unbox this guy. This is LM360WH from Zeekology. I think we better start with putting the bracket into, okay, and start with installing the AIO now. Let's put This guy here, and then I believe should be like this. Only one fan header. Oh yeah, it's quite very straightforward, I guess. So we're gonna route everything onto these holes on the case. Okay, because I'm gonna need this guy to be routed over here at the top of the motherboard. Okay then, cool. USB connector onto the side header. It's pretty okay, done. And now the audio connector, the front audio connector. This guy over here, over here. So now we can put the power supply. Okay.